Good morning. So today we're going to work on this golden Jennie that's not quite as golden as the other one. We're going to do a little bit of trimming, replanting, brushing, the regular, at least for now. Yeah. We are going to make a new apex. We're going to take off this back section here and make this one. So this one we're taking off, and this one's going to be our new apex. We're going to maybe have to wire a bit. I'm not sure. I'm thinking yes. And then some trimming beyond that, but apex. Let's start trimming. Yeah. Oh. And of course we're going to brush a bit with our brass wire brush. Yes. Okay, so here is the front of our tree. I'm going to want to reduce these ends just a bit in order to encourage growth to grow in this area here, this middle section. So we're going to do some plucking, pulling off of the tips, and maybe make this one a little to fill up some space here. You know, we gotta do what we can do. So this one is going to be brought upwards. This one probably be brought a little bit this direction. This one be brought down a little bit. That's our goal. Wiring, hopeful. Yeah. Let's try to do a little bit of wiring. Okay, I'm thinking one more wire and I should be done. I'm hoping. I just kind of want to splay these a little bit differently. Got this one kind of wired. That one's good. That one got this wired. Yeah, let's do this last one. I hope last one. I know, that's a crap show of a bunch of wires going on there. Meh. One more bit of wire. We're going to take this one and just kind of wrap it just ever so slightly where it kind of fills up this space right here for aesthetics. Oh my goodness, no judging, no judging. Okay, for the most part, I'm feeling good about this wiring. We're gonna go ahead and unplant her, deplant her, and clean up this pot. I'm gonna put her back in the same pot that she was in, this one. So, yeah, let's do that. Okay, let's get her out of here, out of her pot, that is. We're gonna harvest a bit of this rock and moss and get rid of the rest. Oh yeah, she's ready. She's ready. Let's clean up this pot a bit. Okay, we are prepping the pot. We are prepping the pot. I have my little plastic pieces in there. Yes, and now I'm going to add my 1/4 inch rock. I'm just going to put a small thin layer just to cover the bottom for drainage on the bottom. On the bottom, on the bottom, on the bottom. Yes, let's do that now. And press. And now a bit of media just to cover the bottom in prepping of the pot. This is the front that I have chosen, and now we're going to place our plant in there and then go with more dirt, media, and progress along there. Yeah. So she's big, big. This being my lower branch right here. I'm going to move the plant this direction to give that one a bit of room to elongate, but I don't really have a whole lot of room in this pot because it's a small pot, so this is just kind of where we're going to put her. Right there. That's our dirt. It's time for the fun stuff. Let's add some moss and some rock and a lichen. At least one rock. That's kind of what I got planned anyway. Let's do that. Rock, lichen, moss. This is the rock that was in there in the beginning. Let's continue with it. It seems to be working good. Lichen, large moss, tall that me, tall, short moss right here for the front, and our one rock. I like it. Let's add top rock. Top rock. Okay, here's our finished product. A wired, not so well wired, but wired golden Jennie. Not so golden either, but either way, here she is. She's in her, already had been in this pot, but she's in her pot. Let's give her a spin. We put lichen and rock and moss. I think lichen is the only thing new that we've really added to her other than wire, which don't even look at that. That's a shoddy job. It's really bad right down here. Don't look. Don't look. Okay. Either way, she's gonna be wired for a bit. She will be better off for it, even though it's not a pro wiring job. Let's spin. Love the color of the pot, of course. You can't go wrong with a cobalt blue pot. Mwah. And then, of course, this green or a variegated looks lovely in a blue pot. And I got her on her little stand here. And yeah, I think she turned out pretty good. I'm sure she's happy for the replanting. She had a bit of roots going on, as you could see. So anyway, here we are. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for being with me. Until next time.